can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. We had a pullback yesterday. The Fed paused interest rates. We saw Bitcoin dumping back to $70,000. Bitcoin dominance looks like a started its decline to gobbling town. What will that mean for the altcoin market? We're back to extreme fear on the fear and greed index. We look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. We start with the price of Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $75,000. But right now, Bitcoin has retraced most of those gains. Bitcoin currently trades around $70,000. $75,000 was the upper end for Bitcoin's cost of production. Bitcoin has been trading in that price range since February of 2026. We saw Bitcoin even going below the cost of production on the 6th of February 2026 when Bitcoin dumped to as low as $60,000. Historically, this has been a good time to buy. Historically, when Bitcoin is in this band of the cost of production, buying it long term has always proved to be a very, very wise decision. If you look at what happened in the bottom of the previous bear market, we saw Bitcoin entering that cost of production region in November of 2022, and we took a while to get out of it. We took more than 60 days to get out of it, but all those market participants that bought Bitcoin between $15,000 and $19,000 were singing Kumbaya, as that was the last time we saw Bitcoin trading at that price region. If you go back in time, anytime Bitcoin comes to that cost of production band, you want to be buying some Bitcoin, and if it goes below it, that's when you want to be accumulating heavily, getting ready for a big pump to the upside. Is this time different? I don't think this time is different. I believe a pump is still around the corner, and we are going to see a violent pump to the upside. It's going to catch a lot of market participants off guard. Right now, market participants are very, very skeptical about any rally. So as we're pumping to higher prices, you can see the skepticism, you can see skepticism increase in the cryptocurrency market, and you can see huge pessimism to that rally. But don't be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and the coming weeks you see a violent pump to the upside, Bitcoin at $80,000, $90,000, maybe we'll go higher than that, maybe we'll get to $100,000. And that important thing that's happened over the last 24 hours has been Bitcoin dominance. We have seen Bitcoin dominance drop from 59%. Bitcoin dominance sits at 58.79%. I've been talking about Bitcoin dominance dumping to gobbling town. It's below wire right now. Bitcoin dominance has been dumping. It started slowly. It has started it since June of 2025. I believe the final phases of this Bitcoin dominance dump, we see altcoins pumping parabolically. We'll see a lot of altcoins shooting to the moon, and we'll see market participants going crazy. But right now, Bitcoin dominance sits around 58%, still down 11% from the highs where it got to around 66%. That was in June of 2025. The base case scenario will be Bitcoin dominance dumping towards 50%, and that imaginary scenario, I expect to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. If you look at the liquidation data in the last 24 hours in the cryptocurrency market, a lot of market participants have gotten liquidated. They saw the rally, the leverage up to the upside. The largest single liquidation happened on Asta. The trader lost $17.97 million, betting that the price of Ethereum will continue going to higher value. It got liquidated as Ethereum dumped aggressively after the Fed paused interest rates. According to CoinGlass, in the last 24 hours, 139,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $458 million. Bitcoin in the month of March has actually been positive. Bitcoin has been doing well in the month of March after having a disastrous January and February. Bitcoin is still down 19% in Q1 of 2026. Ethereum is down 25% in Q1 of 2026. On a monthly time frame, Bitcoin was up 10%. Right now, it's still up 5.4%. Ethereum, on the other hand, was up 18% on a monthly time frame. Right now, it's still up 13.11%. I believe we're going to end March in the positive for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I believe we're going to see the altcoin market pumping, and that's why I'm paying close attention to Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. So that cryptocurrency market cap went from as high as $2.51 trillion. Total cryptocurrency market cap has gotten to as low as $2.41 trillion. One argument can be made We're just testing back this range before we eventually see one big pump to the upside. Remember, guys, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. When most market participants are bearish, you want to be bullish. When most market participants are bullish, you want to be bearish. And if you look at what altcoin market is doing on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, most of these altcoins are still in the positive. Over the next few weeks, I expect more altcoins to be pumping front, left, and center. I expect sentiment in the cryptocurrency market to improve. Right now, we've slipped back to extreme fear. The last 2 days, we saw us getting out of extreme fear for the first time since January. But right now, with a little dip we saw over the last 48 hours, the cryptocurrency market has headed back to extreme fear. Extreme fear at $70,000, extreme fear with Ethereum trading at $2,100. I believe it's a positive thing. I believe we're going to see huge change in sentiment when Bitcoin get to $80,000, when Ethereum get to the $3,000 level. The higher we go, the more optimistic market participants become. But historically, the way to play the game has been to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, has been to buy when there's record levels of pessimism towards altcoins. That's where the value is. That's where you want to be buying if you want to make big profits in the coming days and the coming weeks. Let's look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. SEC gives go ahead to Nasdaq for tokenized trading trial. The Fed holds interest rates amidst higher inflation outlook. Bitcoin bounces to 72K. Crypto industry ties were a liability in in primaries. That's a lot of people that supported crypto probably didn't win their seats. Crypto cards are in the future, but on-chain credit is. Crypto traders eye bullish relief rally after Fed holds interest rates. And I believe that relief rally is going to catch a lot of market participants off guard. I still don't believe that we're tracing the fractal from 2022. A lot of market participants have been recalling that sentiment. That what Bitcoin is currently doing now is this retracing the fractal we had in 2022, where Bitcoin had a miniature rally. That rally was very short-lived. That rally saw Bitcoin just bouncing in a range and finally broke out of that range to 47,000 before Bitcoin eventually turned back and head to Goblin Town. I strongly believe that will be the downfall of a lot of market participants right now. When they think that Bitcoin will start dumping to Goblin Town, start going heavy on the shorts, they might easily get liquidated. One different thing from 2022 is that right now Bitcoin is trading near its cost of production band. Historically, this has been a good time to buy. Historically, extreme fear, record levels of extreme fear has also been a good time to buy. So I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin pumping towards $100,000, maybe even higher than that in the coming days and the coming weeks. XRP Treasury Evernote files with SEC to list shares on the Nasdaq. California court dismisses Coinbase users challenge to RSS summon. More news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. The Fed relief rates unchanged, says geopolitical uncertainty clouds the outlook. Algorand Foundation cuts 25% of its staff, citing macro uncertainty. Full Q4 revenue is up. The CEO sees Bitcoin reward overtaking air miles. Bitcoin falls under $71,000. But data shows Bitcoin bullish momentum is also holding. The SEC chair explained why NFT falls outside of security law, and FTX Recovery Trust to distribute $2.2 billion for creditors in March. If we look at the top meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, most of them are still in the green over the last 7 days. Meme coin is up 30%, official Donald Trump coin is up 20%, and the whole lot of meme coin in the top 10 are still holding on to their last day 7-day gains. They have not still entered the negative. I believe the meme coin market is going to be a sector to watch out for in the relief rally that is coming through, with the market cap sitting at $33.08 billion. We could see the meme coin market rise to $100 billion, maybe even $300 billion. But the bad news is that if the meme coin market goes parabolic, guys, that might be the end of the party. That might be the end of this relief rally that we're currently entering. So you have to pay attention to the meme coin market. Meme coin market is a very strong indicator of when market participants are going crazy, when they're expecting higher prices. And if you look at the altcoin season index, right now we're not near an altcoin season. Bitcoin is still down 18% over the last 3 months, and a lot of altcoins are still down more than 18%. But the higher we go over the next few weeks and the next few months, the more you should expect to see some altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, the more you should see us head towards an elusive altcoin season in 2026. On the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is still up 8.5%. Even though a lot of altcoins already outperforming Bitcoin, we need more altcoins to outperform Bitcoin. And when that happens, don't forget, guys, Bitcoin dominance will be heading down to Goblin Town as we see altcoins going to the moon. Ethereum trades around $2,190. I believe Ethereum could easily reclaim the $3,000 level in no time. Hopefully, it will attempt to get to new all-time highs. Right now, Ethereum is still currently outperforming Bitcoin. I believe a lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market will outpace Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you on the cryptocurrency market? How are you positioning your portfolio? Are you buying more altcoins right now? Are you stacking more Bitcoin? When will you be selling for some sweet profit? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.